Hello and welcome back. Today we are starting volume 3 of the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku. There is a link down in the description below, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. So today we're doing puzzle number 1. If we start with this box here, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got a 1 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 9 here, so 1, 9. For this bottom row now, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this row, we're missing a 9. And for this box now, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 7. No help here, 1, 7, 8. Same here, 1, 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. For this column, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this row now, we've got 1, 2. We're missing a 3. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 7, 7 here, so 1, 3, and no help here, 1, 3, 7. For this column, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 2. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 5. 3 here, so 4, 5, and no help here, 3, 4, 5. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 4 here, a 6 here, and an 8 here, so this is our 7. That 4 and 8 makes this our 6. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. And with that 4, we can get rid of this 4, and that means the only place the 4 can be in that box now is here. For this row, we're missing 1 and 5. And I don't see any help, so 1, 5, 1, 5. For this row, we're missing 6 and 7, and I don't see any help, so 6, 7, 6, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 7. 3 here, so 1, 7. That means the only place the 3 can be in this row is here, and that 3 makes this our 1, 7. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 3. That makes this our 5, 8. And that 5 makes this our 3. And with that 8, we can get rid of this 8. That means the only place the 8 can be in this box now is here. For this top row, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. That 6 makes this our 7, 6. That 7 makes this our 1, 7, 1, 7. And that 1 makes this our 5 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.